The Mahdi's Reign of Justice. A Golden Age Reborn, Part 420th Sasalamu.
Alaikum.
And welcome back to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed. In our previous sessions, we established the identity of Imam Mahdi and detailed the miraculous events surrounding his emergence and allegiance in Mecca. But what kind of world will he usher in? What will his rule truly look and feel like after centuries of oppression and turmoil? Today, in Part 4 of our 20-part series, we delve into the Imam Mahdi's Reign of Justice, a Golden Age Reborn. We will explore the characteristics of his unparalleled rule, the profound societal transformation he will bring, and the spiritual blessings that will permeate the earth during his time. This is the era for which humanity yearns, a promise of justice, abundance, and peace unlike any seen before. Join us as we envision the dawn of this golden age. Part 1. Restoration of justice and righteousness, filling the earth with equity. The defining feature of the Imam Mahdi's reign will be the complete and absolute restoration of justice across the globe, a world transformed. The core promise concerning the Imam Mahdi is that he will fill the earth with justice and fairness as it was filled with injustice and oppression. Ahmad, Abu Dawud, Tirmidhi.
Yes.
This is not just a political change, but a profound societal and spiritual transformation. Eradication of tyranny. All forms of oppression, corruption, and exploitation will be systematically dismantled. No tyrant will be able to stand against his righteous authority. Fair governance. Justice will permeate every level of governance, from the highest leadership to the smallest social interactions. Legal systems will be based purely on the Quran and Sunnah, ensuring equity for all. Return to true Islam. The Imam Mahdi will revive the authentic teachings of Islam, which might have been distorted or neglected. He will ensure that the principles of mercy, compassion, and truth are universally applied. Concrete examples: this justice will be felt by every individual. The weak will be protected, the rights of the oppressed restored, and disputes settled with absolute fairness, bringing true peace of mind to common people. Part 2. Distribution of wealth and resources. Unprecedented abundance, a remarkable sign of the Mahdi's era, will be an unparalleled abundance of wealth, and its just distribution, leading to widespread prosperity. No one in need. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said regarding the Imam Mahdi, he will distribute wealth profusely without counting it Muslim.
Always.
In another narration, he will give out wealth without measure, Ahmad. This indicates such an abundance that poverty will virtually cease to exist. Generosity of the leader. The Imam Mahdi himself will be incredibly generous, showering people with gifts and resources. This will encourage a spirit of giving and communal welfare among the populace. Earth's blessings unleashed. This abundance is not merely from human effort, it is a divine blessing upon the earth during his reign. The land will yield its treasures, and natural resources will be plentiful. Elimination of poverty. So profound will this distribution and abundance be that Hadith state a person will come to the Imam Mahdi asking for wealth, and the Imam Mahdi will tell them to go to the public treasury, where they will find no one to give wealth to because everyone else is already satiated, or they will be given so much that they cannot carry it. Spiritual rationale. This wealth and its just distribution are a direct consequence of establishing divine justice and order. When Allah's commands are upheld, His blessings are poured forth generously. Part 3. Global unity and harmony. The Ummah, reconciled beyond material abundance. The Imam Mahdi's reign will witness an unprecedented level of unity among Muslims, and even a broader sense of peace among humanity. Unifying the Muslim Ummah. One of the most significant aspects of his rule is his role in uniting the disparate Muslim factions and schools of thought under one banner of justice and truth. Divisions will melt away as true guidance shines forth. The end of discord. The internal conflicts and sectarian strife that plague the Muslim world in preceding times will largely cease under his leadership. Hearts will be reconciled, and grudges will dissipate. Respect for all people. While his primary mission is to establish Islam, his justice will extend to all inhabitants of the earth. Non-Muslims living under his rule will experience fairness and security, contributing to a broader sense of global harmony. This is distinct from the later phase when Prophet Isa, peace be upon him, will break the cross, indicating a general acceptance of Islam. Peace on earth. The prophetic narratives depict an era where peace is widespread. The sword will be sheathed for a time, and people will live in a state of unprecedented tranquility and security. The spiritual glue. This unity is not merely political, it's spiritually driven. Its profound piety and just governance will inspire hearts to turn to Allah, fostering unity through shared faith and adherence to divine principles. Part 4. Duration and blessings of his era. A period of tranquility. The Imam Mahdi's reign, though limited in duration, will be a concentrated period of immense blessings and tranquility before the even greater trials to come. Length of his rule. Narrations vary slightly, but commonly state his rule will last for 7, 8, or 9 years. This relatively short period will be packed with transformative events and profound blessings. The Earth's response. During his time, the Earth itself will respond to the righteousness of his rule. Hadith mention the skies sending down abundant rain, and the earth yielding its fruits in abundance, enriching all. Return of Barakah, blessing. A tangible sense of Barakah will permeate everything. Life will feel more blessed, efficient, and spiritually fulfilling. Material prosperity will be accompanied by spiritual contentment, security, and safety. The world will experience such security that a woman could travel alone from Iraq to Mecca, fearing none but Allah. The predatory nature of humans will diminish. The quality of life. This era will be marked by a return to simpler, purer ways of life, guided by divine values. People will engage in worship with sincerity, and social bonds will strengthen. It will be a time for believers to truly live out their faith in peace. How does contemplating this golden age of justice and abundance inspire your own actions today? Share your thoughts below. Conclusion, the blueprint of a perfect world. My dear friends, the Mahdi's reign of justice is more than a distant prophecy. It is a powerful vision of what a world governed by divine principles can truly be. It's a blueprint for universal justice, unprecedented abundance, global unity, and profound peace. A golden age born from righteousness. This era serves as a stark contrast to the preceding corruption and prepares humanity for the ultimate tests to follow. It is a testament to Allah's promise that truth and justice will ultimately prevail, inspiring us to strive for these very qualities in our own lives. Paving the way for the coming of the Guided One. This is truly the essence of Sufi essence. Thank you for joining me on this profound journey into the Mahdi's golden era. If this lecture filled your heart with hope and inspiration, please like this video to help share this vital message. Subscribe to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed for more illuminating insights into Islamic spirituality. And remember to hit the notification bell so you don't miss part 5 of this epic series, where we all discuss the Imam Mahdi's critical role in Jerusalem and the significant Hadith about the black flags. How does the vision of the Imam Mahdi's reign encourage your personal faith and actions? Share your reflections in the comments below. Your insights empower our growing community. Until our next spiritual unveiling, may Allah prepare us for the era of justice.